Your Majesty, the stage is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand. Please stand and join me in the welcoming His Majesty Otunfo Osei Tutu II, the King of Ashanti Kingdom, on the stage.
Good evening. We are gathered here tonight at the invitation of Top Charity, which is organized by my own daughter, Omina, and my son-in-law, Rafa. When I received the invitation to come, I knew it was for a just cause. Why? Because when we get to positions where we know we've made it, we have to think about the people that haven't.
So,
how best can we help also develop the other ones who are not privileged to be in our positions?
So,
I took the same decision in 1999 when I was brought to this position.
So,
I asked myself, if I've been brought into this privileged position, what can I do for my people?
So,
and I thought about education. I thought about health.
So,
I thought about industrialization of my city and the kingdom. We started with education. In 1999, students at the universities were asked to, they were going to increase their school fees, and it became a mayhem.
So,
I'd been the king for only 3 months. So I took it upon myself to offer scholarships to 600 students. During that time, there were only 3 recognized universities by government.
So,
and I paid for 200 for each of those universities and 200 for all the 3 universities, adding up to 600.
So,
and it brought calm, and they were able to continue their studies. And now some of them have been lawyers and doctors and high court and appeal court justices and everything.
So,
that is the essence of philanthropy. That is the essence of having a feeling for people from where we stand, so that we also think about them.
So,
and so when Omina came to Ghana some time ago and said he's also started a charity, and on the 5th anniversary, I received the invitation and I was advised about it. I said, I'll leave everything and go because it's for a just cause.
So,
and having gone through what she's done so far, and looking at the eminent people here who are supporting her cause with Rafael, my son-in-law, I felt that I have made a travel with the journey to Poland in a way that would help develop humanity.
So,
and so I thank you very much for this audience. I thank you very much for supporting a just cause. I know they're doing it for humanity. And if we don't support those who are not privileged to be able to have education, health, and everything, it turns out to affect us.
So,
I always said that the politicians will think about the next elections. I have to think about the next generation.
So
if the president or whoever serves for 4 years, 8 years, and someone didn't have education or health facility and everything, he leaves the scene, and I'm still there with the people there.
So,
therefore, it affects me more than it affects the politician. And so we take decisions to make sure that the next generation also have development, they have school, they have health delivery and everything, so that they can also contribute to the development of their nation. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to support a good cause, and I say that I admire what they've done, and I thank them very much, and I thank everybody here who's come this evening for that. Thank you very much.
Ashanti, Tolut.